Hello. Oh, Isaac, you come back already, ah? Oh, Hao Jun, you are the new student, is it? Okay, Jia Xuan. Okay, so we continue our lesson today is integration. Hao Jun, do you get the notes and the past year for this topic?
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
ah. Which school you from, ah?
I'm from Sunway.
Oh, Sunway. Okay, so meaning that this topic you already finished, is it? And Liam
Yes.
also joined. Okay. And statistic, right? We already cover statistic one, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this integration, we finish the P1. Then we will continue with the chapter 5 for statistic. So if you want to look through especially the probability lah, so for the statistic 1, 2, 3, and chapter 4 probability. Okay, then I can send you the link because we have we always record lah actually. So I can send you the YouTube link, then you can go through it. If you need the notes, everything, then you request from me. Okay, we start the class. Okay, so how are you, Isaac? Long time never see you. Okay, we go for this one. Integration. Okay, I think all of you getting the notes, everything already. I already posted. Okay, so we go for the integration. If let's say we have dy dx x power n. So if let's say you want to do the integration, I mean you get back the y. Okay, you need to bring the n down. Okay, that means 1 over n plus 1 x n plus 1. Okay, always have the n plus 1. For the differentiation is -1. For the integration is +1. Okay, so same case with this one. Okay, or we can write in different way. Okay, so we go for this one. I lost. Okay, so for this one, first we have to bring down. We try to go quickly lah, because I planning to finish this one. Okay, he need to find y. So we bring down the 1 over 3 plus 1 is 4. Then x power 4. Okay, so plus c. Always remember plus c because maybe we have a constant at the back. When we differentiation, the constant will disappear. That's why we need to put the constant back. Okay, for the b, in same case, this one you can change it into x minus 2. Okay, so when you do the integration, okay, 1 over minus 2 plus 1 is actually -1. X minus 1 plus c. So this one I can change it become 1 over x plus c. Okay, then for the c, okay, this one I can change it also become x. This is 1, this is half, become 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So when you do the integration, that means is 3 over 2 plus 1. Okay, so 3 over 2 plus 1 is actually 5 over 2. Okay, then this one 5 over 2. So this one upside down actually, so you can become 2 over 5. Okay, then x 5 over 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, if any question, you can just stop me. You can put in the chat box here. Okay, so we go for the 9.2 example. Okay, when we have a lot, then we do it separately. So before that, usually I will simplify first so that easier for me to get the answer. Okay, so for A, okay, first one, this one is 3, so become fx, sorry, not y. We follow the question fx. Okay, so this one is 4 over 4 x power 4 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is -1. X minus 1 plus 4x. Okay, so this one we still need to plus c because we don't know the constant at the back. Okay, final answer will be x power 4. Okay, minus is plus 1 over x. Sorry, it's 2. Here is 2. Okay, 2 over x. This is 2. Okay, then plus 4x plus c. So we go for B. Okay, same case with this one. Usually I will change it first. Okay, become 8x squared minus 1 over 2 x negative 4 plus 2x. Okay, change first so that you're easy to write the answer. Okay, this one become 8 over 3 x power 3. Then plus this one minus 4 plus 1. So it become, okay, I go too fast. Minus first. Okay, minus 1 over 2. Then minus 3 here. Okay, then after that, we have x minus 3 here, plus 2x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, then here we have to simplify. Yeah? Okay, this one minus plus 1 over 6 x power 3 plus this one you cancel it, you will get x squared plus c. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, if too fast, please let me know. If you too fast, you feel too fast, then let me know. Okay, then for this case, okay, what we have to do is we need to simplify it first. Okay, then means that we expand. We expand. Okay, f prime x. I expand first. So what I get is x squared plus 2x minus 3 over square root x. Okay, this one is still further I can simplify because the square root x have to give to everybody. Okay, so that means 2 minus half is 3 over 2 plus 2. 1 minus half is actually half lah. Okay, then after that you minus 3x. Then you have negative. Okay, after I simplify everything, then only I start to do my fx. Okay, so this one is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So 1 over 5 over 2. Then x 5 over 2 plus. Okay, this one you have to same thing plus 1. Then you become 2. 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Okay, x 3 over 2 minus 3. Okay, this one you plus 1. Become half. Then half. Always remember to plus c lah. Okay, then this one upside down, I become 2 over 5 x 5 over 2 plus this one become 4 over 3 x 3 over 2. Then this one also upside down here become negative 6 x half plus c. Okay, so any question until here? If no question, I move on. No, okay. Please let me know if too fast, because I want to settle this one quite thick, quite a lot. Okay, so for this one, same thing, you will have to simplify first. Okay, so we try to simplify this part first. Okay, what I get is 2x squared minus x. 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, so I still need to continue to simplify. So 2 is 4. Okay, 2, this one is 6. Okay, then here minus 2x squared minus 3x. Okay, dx. Okay, still can simplify. When the time you're doing simplified, right? This one you still need to put because I haven't do integration yet. So that's why I still need to write the symbol for the integration symbol. Okay, after from here, you start to do, right? Then you just put equal. 4, okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 over 4 x power 4 plus 4 over x power 3 over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, then after that we simplify, you will get x power 4 plus 4 over 3 x power 3. X power 3, okay. Then 3 x squared over 2 plus c. Okay. This is the final answer. Copy can. Which part you want to copy? The 9.2. Chanyi, which one you want to copy? The last one, this one, this is it this one? Part 1, oh, okay. So here, you let me know if you finish, okay, done, Okay, I continue. Okay, for this one, it's the same case, we have to simplify, so that means the S have to give to everybody. So give to everybody, that means this one become 4x. Okay, minus 3, this is half, half minus 1 is negative half log dx. Okay, so when you haven't start to integrate, you have to put the symbol. So now we start to integrate. So 4/3 square minus, okay, sorry, where's my x? Okay, so here minus half plus 1. So 3, 1/2, then 1/2 plus c. Okay, then I simplify here, I get 2x squared. Okay, this one, here 2 multiply with 3, okay, I get 6. Then x half plus c. Okay, so I can leave it like this way, or you want to leave it like this way. Okay, both can be accepted. Both can be accepted. Okay, if you leave it like this way, also doesn't matter. Okay, so this part we done. Okay, then we go for the application, which is finding the constant of the integration. Okay, the front part, I will go a bit fast until 9.5. Then at the back, behind, that is the improper integration. Okay, the improper integration, that one, I will explain to you because that one is talking about the limit. So that is the new things for you starting from 9.8. Other than that, actually it's same as you learn it in your SPM or your IGCSE at max. Okay. Finish. Okay. And move. Okay, here I have some question. You can try your own. Okay, if you try already, you got any question, you can PM me. So I will help you. Okay, usually you can, all of you, when you PM me, usually I reply or when I free. Okay, now we go for this one. Okay, because we know that integration is finding back the y. So meaning that you can find it back the equation of the curve. So what we have to do is we need to do the integration. Okay, we need to do an integration as just now. So what I have to do is I need to simplify. Okay, I need to simplify this equation first. So 6x, the x power 3 give to everybody. Okay, then you will get like this. Okay, then after that, I need to integrate it. Integrate it. I will get my y. So my y will get, this one is 6 divided by 3x3 minus, okay, this one is 18 minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2 plus c. We have the plus c here. Okay, simplified now. I get 2x cubed. Okay, then plus 9. Okay, this one over x squared plus c. Okay, this is not my final answer yet because I don't know about the c. So what I have to do is I replace the x as 1, y as 6. Okay, to this equation. 1, 6. So 2, 1 over 3 plus 9 over 1 plus c. Okay, then from here, we try to simplify it first. 6 equal to 2 plus 9 plus C. Okay, 11 plus C. So you move here. Your C, actually, you will get -5. So now your final answer is y equal to 2x power 3 plus 9 over x squared minus 5. This is your final answer. Okay. Any question? No, take picture already, Okay, take picture already, Chanji? Okay, so I move on. Okay, this one I need to find here. He asks you to find f. That means I need to do the integration also. Okay, so we start to do the integration. Okay, because I need to find the fx. So from here, I do the integration. For this one, no need to simplify so straight away. I put fx equal to 15 over 5 because 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, minus 6x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, so simplify first. I get 3x5. Okay, minus 3x squared plus c. Okay, so this is my fx. I have the value over here. Okay, you just replace it. Okay, this one fx is 1 equal to 3 -1 power 5 minus 3, then -1 square plus c. Okay, so this one you still get negative because it's the odd number. Even number you'll get positive. Okay, so your c should be 7. Because -6 here, you move here, 7. Okay, so my fx now is 3x5 minus 3x squared is, okay, then plus 7. That's all. Okay, so meaning that he can give you different things. Sometimes you can see the question he giving you like, he give you the A or B or whatever things. Okay, then he asks you to find the value. Also can be like that. Okay, whatever value he give you then you try to find it. Okay, so later we go for example 9.6. You will see it. Yeah, done. Yes, finish. Okay, I move. Okay, this one he said that the gradient of the normal. Okay, gradient of the normal, because it's the normal, that means it's 1 over dy dx. Okay, it's my -1 over dy dx. It's my normal gradient. And then he said that this normal gradient, okay, is actually 1 over 2. So from here, I can say that my dy dx is actually same as -2. Am I right? If I putting in here. Okay, this one same as same as 1 over 2. Okay, so I can set that my dy dx is same as -2. So the value x is 1, y is -3. Okay, so we start first. Dy dx. Okay, so this is the case that that always come out like this. Okay, so I want to get my value. Okay, I have the -2 here. Okay, dy dx is -2. Equal to 6x is 1 plus k. I can find my k value actually. Okay, my k value is, you move here, you will get -8. Okay, once you already have this one, you replace back. So dy dx is same as 6x minus 8. Okay, then he asked me to get the equation for the curve. So you integrate it. So integrate it, you will get 6, dx. Okay, so 6x squared over 2 minus 8x plus c. Okay, so simplify again. Okay, now I have my 1 and -3. I can just replace inside here. So -3 equal to 3, 1 minus 8, 1 plus C. Okay, so what I get? -3 equal to 3 minus 8 plus C. This one is -5. Move here, become 2. Okay, so my final answer is 3x squared minus 8x plus 2. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay. Any question? You're okay? Yeah. Okay, so the question here, you can try your own. The answer also provided. Okay, this is the, I choose the question that is the more to the problem solving. So here, this is not the direct question. This is d squared y dx squared. So if you want to get the y, meaning that you have to do 2 times. Or you have to integrate 2 times, that only you can get the y. Okay. So this is the thing that just now I said, he can give you the k, a, or whatever things. Okay, then question 3 is almost same with this example. So these 3 questions you can try at home. So any question you can ask. So now we move to 9.3. Okay, which is the ax plus b power n. Okay, so the formula very easy. 1 over, okay, dy dx inside here. Ax plus b. So I dy dx, I will get a. So I bring down here. Then n plus 1, same thing I bring down. And then I copy the same thing, then n plus 1. This is the formula. So something like this for a. Okay. So when you integrate it, you will get 1 over first. Okay, the 2x minus 3 is actually 2. So this one 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, you bring it down. Then you copy the same thing again. Okay, this one is 5. So you can just simplify it. So you will get 1 over 10. Need to plus C also. Okay, so 2x minus 3 power 5 plus C. Okay, so when you have the value, okay, also the same thing. Okay, write down here. Okay, so you can put 20, you still put 20, okay, because why? I can just like this, okay, example, okay, I wrote like this, 20, and then 1 minus 4x, okay, because here at the bottom, so I put -6, okay, dx. So that means the 20 is the constant, I don't care, I just put on top here. Okay, this one I can get -4. This one I can get -5. Okay, then I copy the same thing again. Plus C. Okay, then this one is same thing, right? Okay, become minus or minus become plus. Okay, so that means this one cancel. No more. Okay, what I get is 1 over 1 minus 4x power 5 plus C. That's all. Okay, for C is the same case also. This one he become 5 C. Okay, then 2x plus 7. This is -half. Okay, -half. Okay, dx. Okay, so same case, we do 5 over dy dx. This one I get 2. This one minus, I get half. Copy the same thing again. Okay, and then this one is half plus C. So I can cancel this one. So end up I will get 5 square root 2x plus 7 plus C. Okay, that's all. Any question? Okay, no problem. Okay, we continue. Any question? Okay. Lian, you okay? Hao Jun, you okay? Can follow, Isaac? No problem, Okay, I move on, okay, Jiaxuan, good. Okay. Then we move to this one. Okay, this one is the further indefinite integration. Okay, usually he will ask you to show something, and then after that, you need to use the what you do, what you get the dy ds to do in the B. Okay, this one A and B usually is related. So that's why integration and differentiation you cannot separate. If you look at the past year, usually they are in one question. Okay, we do the differentiation first. Okay, I mean the dy ds. Okay, I ask you to do the dy ds so that you show this one up. Okay, so this one dy ds minus 4 power 8. Okay, so when you do the dy ds, right? So follow the formula. You have to bring down the 8, right? Then you dy ds inside here. So 3 times 2 is 6. X. Okay, and then after that, like what I taught last time, you have to copy. And then this one it become minus. This one is minus. It becomes 7. dy ds minus, then integration is plus. Okay, then after that, I will show the answer out. 48x, then 3x squared minus 4 power 7. Okay, after we show this one, you have to compare the answer here and the answer here. Okay, you see what is the difference. Okay, 3x squared minus 4, 3x squared minus 4, power 7, same. The difference is what? The difference is this one, 6x. Okay, so when that is the 6x, what I have to do so that I can get 48? So meaning that I have to, this one, 6, I have to multiply by 8. Am I right? So when I multiply 8, that means outside I have to divide by 8. So that I get the 6x. You get what I mean, Okay. Inside the here, I want to get 48, right? I need to multiply by 8. So when inside here multiply by 8, I need to cancel the 8 inside. So that means I need to divide by 8. So what I get is, okay, I rewrite 1 over 8. Okay, then integrate 48x because I multiply already. 48x. Okay, then after that, this one I write down. This one doesn't change. That means I write down. Okay, then we know that 48x, then 3x squared minus 4 power 7 is actually same as this one, right? Same as the just now what we did. Okay, so meaning that I will get 3x squared minus 4 power 8 plus c. You okay? Can follow? Okay, you always need to figure out how to change. Sometimes you not only put the number, this one easy question, you just put the number to form it. Sometimes I have to put the x also. Sometimes I can put the fraction also. Okay, you have to figure out how to get the original value back, which is this one, what you prove. Okay, you can try it here. Okay, got some question for you to do. Okay, then we continue. This is definite integration. Okay, when we have the definite integration, we no need to proceed because we already have the value. When we have BA, right? Okay, usually why we put BA? Because the big number on top, small number at the bottom. Okay, so then you integrate, you put B or FB minus FA. Okay, if we have the constant, usually we take up the constant outside. Then we start to do. Okay, if sometime I don't want the BA, I want AB on top. Because just now I said usually the B is big number, A is small number. But if let's say I don't want, okay, I want A on top. So what I have to do is I put a negative over here. Okay, then if let's say I want to have directly C to A, I'm missing the B. So what I can find is actually BA, okay, CB. Because B and B here, you can cancel. So straight away you will get C to A. So meaning that CA, I can use BA plus CB. If you cannot get the BB, one on top, one bottom, then you change. When you change, you need to use this formula. Okay, this is the basic concept. Okay, this is the basic concept. So now we go for the question. Okay, we go for this one first. Same case, we need to do the integration. Okay, so we give to everybody first. So that means 6 x 2 minus x negative 2 dx. Okay, then from here, when we start to do, then you put this one. Okay, when we start to do the integration, you have to do this one. Over 3 minus, okay, then this one is 1 over negative 1, then x negative 1, okay, then 2, 1. Okay, this one I can cancel it actually. I will get 2x cubed plus 1 over x. 1. Okay, now what you have to do is you can use your calculator. And for this type of question, you can use your calculator to check your answer. If you know that in your calculator, they have the integration. I don't know whether you can see or not. In your, can you see me? Okay, in your calculator, actually, wait, I need to. Okay, actually you can see here. Over here, that is the that is the calculator. Okay, you can just use the calculator to check your answer. But in the exam, you still need to show it. I mean, he need you to show the working. But for calculation, you can check your answer. So make sure you're not getting wrong. In exam, we must get every single marks. Every single 1 marks also we need. We need to grab the marks. Okay, so we put the 2 inside here. Okay, so 2, then 2 power 3 plus 1 over 2. Okay, then minus 2, 1 plus 1 over 1. Okay, then after that, you press the calculator. This one is actually 16. 16, 1 over 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 1, 3. 3. So I get 13, 1 over 2. Okay, I get 13, 1 over 2. So this is my answer. Okay, so any question for this one? Okay, if you want to check whether that is correct or not, you can now press your calculator. Follow exactly same. We press the calculator using this one. You can check now. So usually he will give you the inside here first. Okay, this one. So you follow me now. You press the calculator 6 alpha x, then power 4. Then minus 1. Okay, then going down, you press alpha x. Can you see the alpha x is the red color actually? Okay, then square. So after you getting everything, okay, if you're getting everything is something like this. Okay, so after that, you need to put the value in the small box. So which is the 1 and 2. Okay, so make sure you press something like this. Okay, then you put equal. Okay, you wait for a while, then the answer will become up. Okay, so meaning that my answer is correct. Okay, any question? Better check answer. Every time better check answer, because you are not checking your answer if you're getting wrong. For this one, it's still okay. When you have the application question, one part wrong, everything wrong. Okay, so this is half. Okay, I change it first. Then after that, we start to do. Okay. So this one, we follow the integration method also is 1 over dy dx. This one first is 5. Okay. Then this one minus, plus 1 is integration. Plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay. Then after that, we have to plus 1 again. So become 5x plus 1. Then 3 over 2. Okay. The whole thing, you have to put 3 0. Okay, after you finish here, then we try to simplify. So I will get 2 over 15. Okay, then 5x plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay, then 3 0. Try to write properly. Okay, so once I already have this one, then I can start to put the value inside. Yeah. Okay, so 2 over 15. Okay, then 3 plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay, minus 2 over 15. Then 5 0 plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay, then now you can just press your calculator. Once you already show this one, you can just press your calculator. You will get 128 over 15 minus 2 over 15. Okay, and now I will get 8 2 over 5. Okay, same thing. You try to press the calculator to check is it your answer is correct or not. Okay, now we go for the next one, C. C. Okay, the C, I do here. Okay, the C I can change first. Okay, I need to change first. Okay, 1 negative 2. Then I have 8, right? 8 I can put outside actually. So 5 minus 2x negative 2 dx. Okay, because here the 8 I bring up, this one I move up, so become negative. Okay, once I already change everything, okay, then I can start to do. So I put like this. The same case, the 8 you can put outside or the 8 I put here also can. Doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Okay, then this one I need to divide the F first. I get negative 2. Then plus 1, so negative 1. 5 minus 2x. Then negative 1. Okay, 1 negative 2. Okay, then here I still need to simplify. This one become 4. 4. 5 minus 2x. Negative 1. 1 negative 2. Okay, then I can put it in the value. Five minus 2, 1. Okay, then minus 4, 5 minus 2 negative 2. Okay, then from here I get 4 over 3 minus 4 over 9. Okay, then I get 8 over 9. Okay. Okay, any question? Okay, no problem. Okay, I move on. Okay, this is the question that you can try. Okay, then we go here. Okay, area under a curve. Area under the curve, we have to use the integration. Here is the formula. Okay, when you have the B to A, example like this, 5 to 2. Always remember, big number on top, small number bottom. Okay, so 5 to 2. Then y dx. Okay, students sometimes here ask me, why here dx? Okay, because y means that your equation is the y equation. Example, y equal to x squared. That means here is actually, okay, 5 to x squared dx. dx meaning that we doing integration for the x value. Then this value here must be also x value. You cannot use the y value to put here and then you dx. Wrong. The value here is represent the value here, the x. If you dy meaning that here is the y value. Okay. Okay, so we need to find this one. Okay, meaning that I have to integrate. Okay, this one, 3x squared dx. Okay, then the value is 6, 4. Okay, so we start to do the integration. So actually, I should know s power 3. Because 3 over 3 is 1. S power 3. Okay, then 6, 4. Okay, so you just replace the 6 in here, 4 in here. Okay, I will get 216 minus 64. Okay, then after that, you will get 152 unit square. Okay, because this is the area. When there is the area, that means is unit square. Okay, then some student ask me, okay, is it we need to put the x inside here and then minus the 4 we put inside here? Okay, it's up to you. You want to put in, then you put in. If you don't want to put in, you can just press the calculator. You put the 6 power 3, then you get 216. Okay, then x power 4, you put 64. Can. Then some students say, okay, is it I can straight away write? Okay, this one get like this. Can I do like this? Okay, the answer is no. You must show one of them. Okay, either you show when you put the x inside here, you get 216, then 4, you get 64, or you want to show like this. Okay, 6 power 3 minus 4 power 3, you get 152. Okay, you can show either way. You can show this one, or you show this one, or you want to show both. Okay, it's okay, no problem. You can show more, but don't show less. Okay, if you come here to straight away here, okay, you may lose the walking marks because we don't know every year. Every year, it depends to the mark scheme. It depends to whether the teacher come up the exam paper, they want to put the marks for here or not. I mean the walking. So it's better for you to write, okay, one of the step. At least you're not missing any marks. Okay. So like what I said, we cannot lose any mark. 1 mark also we want. In exam, 1 mark very important. If you get 100%, then you lost 1 mark. You maybe become 99. Or if you lost 1 mark, 90, you lost 1 mark, become 89. Then the grade different already. So 1 mark also we want. Okay. So then after that, we always know that when we want to find the area for this case, okay, because the area for this region is at the bottom of the x. So when we do integration, okay, 60, x squared minus 6x dx. Okay, when we do the integration, later you will get the negative value. The reason is because your area is under the x axis. That is the reason why you get negative. But area always positive. Okay, so you need to modulus it, you get back the positive value. Okay, so we start to do first. Okay, this one I will get x power 3 over 3 minus, okay, this one is 3x2, 60, okay? So once you already have this thing, okay, then you can start to do. Okay, you can just put the value inside here. Okay, so when you put inside, okay, you will get 72 minus 108. Minus this 0 you put inside, you still get 0 lah. Okay, so that one we no need to care. Okay, then after you minus it, you will get negative 36. Okay, negative 36, like what is that? This is a negative unit. So because of the area, you straight away write down 36 units. No negative. The negative only represent where is the region they are. Okay, any question until here? No, Okay, I move on. Okay, you see, this one have two parts. Okay, student will ask, is it I can straight away using integration 6 to 0? Okay, so the answer is no. Okay, why? Because there is two regions. This region is positive. This region is negative. So we need to do it separately. For this negative part, later you need to modulus it to get back the positive value. Okay, so what we have to do is you need to integration 2, 0. This one I can simplify actually. I simplify first. Y equal to x squared minus 2x. X minus 6. I will get x power 3. Okay, then minus 8x squared plus 12x. Okay, so when I already have this one, right, I put it in. Okay, this is 2, 0. Okay, so x power 3 minus 8x squared plus 12x dx. Okay, so we start to do the integration. X power 4 over 4 minus 8x 3 over 3 plus 12x squared over 2. Okay, then 2, 0. Okay, now you can just putting the value 2 inside this part. Okay, when I putting in, I will get 6. Press the calculator lah. Minus 0. Okay, then my final answer is 6, 2 over 3. Okay, so after that, I do the another one. Okay, which is the 6, 2. Okay, 6, 2. Same case, I integrate this one. Dx, okay. So the same thing again actually. X power 4 minus 4. This is 6, 2. Okay, when I press the calculator, this one I get negative 36 minus 6, 2 over 3. Okay, I will get negative 42, 2 over 3. Okay, so this one is negative part. I need to modulus it so that I get my final answer. So the area is 6, 2 over 3 plus 42, 2 over 3. So end up I will get 49, okay, 1 over 3 units square. Okay, any question? Any question? No, Okay, okay, we move on now. Okay, if let's say you have the area which the line is touching to the y-axis, okay, that means now I need to change already. I have to use dy, if you remember what I said just now. Okay, so when you have this one, the y value, okay, when you integrate it, you integrate it, you will get b to a. Okay, the x equal to fy, meaning that example x equal to 2y squared, example. Okay, so this one you have to use this thing. So it become 2y squared dy. Dy now. Okay, when you are using the value from the y. So this one is dy. Okay, same case with here, 0 to 4. 0 to 4. So I using the y equation. So that means 4, 0. Okay, this one is 4y. Simplify first. 4y minus y squared dy. Okay, then now it's the same thing. Or integration is the same case. Okay, this one is 4 over 2 minus y 3 over 3. Okay, 4, 0. Okay, then this one you can simplify that become 2. Okay, you replace the 4 inside here. When you replace it, you will get, let me check. 2. Usually I always using the algebra in my calculator to find the things. Okay, later I show you. Wait, I press calculator first. Okay, so I will get 2y squared minus alpha y over 3 over 3. Okay, usually I will do like this. Okay, so I will show this one up. So once I show this one, then I will press the calculate CALC. This one, CALC. Okay, I press it. He was asking me, what is the y value? Okay, so my first y value is 4. So I press like this, y value equal to 4. Then I put equal 2 times. I will get this one. Okay, wait, write down first. Okay, I will get 32 over 3. Okay, minus, okay, now I press calculate again. He was asking me again, what is the value? So I put 0, then equal, I put equal, equal, okay? When I press the value, I will get this one. Okay, 0. So, meaning that this one, I will get 0. So straight away, I will get the answer is 32 over 3. Unit square. Or you can change it to 10. Okay, 10, 3, 2. Okay, it's up to you. So it's the same answer. Okay, usually I will use the calculator to help me to get the value. Okay, so you don't put the what bracket. The student always do like that. Okay, what bracket 4 square over 2 minus 4 cube over 3. Then you press equal. Then you press 0 something something. Then very easy to get wrong. If you press one button wrong, that means the whole thing will wrong. For me, I will use the algebra in the calculator, and then after that, I will put the number inside. I will straight away get the answer. Okay, any question? No question. Okay, no question. The question 1. Supposedly I will ask student to do but because really short of time, so I'm not ask you to do. You can try your own. Okay, you need to find the C coordinate here. I just tell you how to do. Okay, you just find the C coordinate here. Okay, he said that the normal to the curve meet is the C, so meaning that you have to find the normal. Okay, after that you get the C coordinate. Then after that you cut the value here. Okay, you can just integrate from A to B. Okay, I mean from B to A. Okay, then after that, here is the triangle. Okay, you just use the triangle formula, half times base times height. Then you will get this part. So after that, you plus together is the whole thing area. It's the whole thing area. Okay, then some student will ask me, is it teacher, this one is negative because it's here or no lah? Okay, so because we are doing the dx. When ds we look at the x-axis. Above the x-axis is the positive. Below the x-axis is the negative. If let's say you are integrate y, then y is for this side negative, for this side is positive. So this one is integration x. So then here should be positive. You no need to separate. Okay. So this is the student always ask me. Okay. Then after that, we will have another type of question is like this. Okay. This is the question he give you without any equation. Okay. He just give you that y equal to fx. Okay. Then after that, he give you the point. Okay. P and Q. But we know that this is the curve. Okay, it's not the straight line. Okay, then after that, he tell you, okay, given that, okay, 7 2, okay, y ds, that means it's the s value lah, okay, you know, the s value is like a x squared plus bs plus c, something like that. Okay, it's the s equation, okay, so you will get 42. And then after that, this one is the x equal to something something y. So that means this one is maybe can be y over maybe y over 2 2y squared something. Okay, dy. So he actually need you to find the value. Okay. Where I think this one he not give you full question. Some question is missing. Okay, this one no need to do lah. This one is missing something. He actually, I think he asked you to find the fx. Okay, so this one no need to do. This one he never give you anything. But this one okay, this one can do. This one I asked student do before. Okay, then we go for the 9.7. Okay, 9.7 is the true line. Okay, it's actually bonded, the area bonded by the curve and the line, or two curve. Okay, how we do it using the simple way. Okay, if let's say you no need to if let's say you check your SPM or IG, some teacher they will say that, oh, you can find the integration. Okay, this one integration, I write down integration, okay, 6 1, okay, then minus x squared plus 8x minus 5, okay, dx. Okay, that means you will get the area for the whole thing. This one. And then after that, you need to minus, this one is the trapezium shape. Okay, then you minus the trapezium shape, then you will get the answer. Okay, this one very troublesome lah. Okay, what we have to do is, you always remember the above line minus the below line. Okay, the above line minus the below line. So what we will do is, okay, he give you the integration point. Integration point is 1, 2 here. Okay, he give you the integration point is 6, 7. Yeah. Okay, you can use the integration for I mean the trapezium area for this one, then you minus. Or another way is we just using the above minus the bottom. Okay. I show you how to do. Okay, 6 1, right? So this one I will get, wait, I do first. Okay, negative x power 3 over 3 plus 8x squared over 2 minus 5x 6 1. Okay, some case usually I will press my calculator. Okay, then straight away I get the value. Six one. Okay, so now I press the calculator first. Minus alpha x cubed over 3 plus 4 alpha x squared minus 5 alpha x. Okay, then I use the calculate 6. Okay, I get 42 minus calculate 1. I get negative 4 over 3. Okay, then 42 plus 4 over 3. Okay, 43 1 over 3. Okay, I said already, this is the above, right? Above line minus the below line. So you have to integrate something, 6 1. This is what x plus 1 dx. Okay, we integrate. So this is x squared over 2 plus x 6 1 again. Okay, same thing. I will press the calculator. X square over 2, then plus alpha x, calculate 6, 24, minus, calculate 1, 3 over 2. Okay, so 24 minus 3 over 2, 22, 1 over 2. Okay, above minus below. So the area will be 43, 1 over 3 minus 22, 1 over 2. So 43, 1 over 3 minus 22. One over 2. Okay, my answer is 25 over 6. Okay, so straight away I will get the answer. I no need to care about the point here or the length or whatever things are. I no need to care about that. Because I know that when I do the integration, no matter that is the curve or the straight line, actually I will get the area at the bottom of the curve or the line. Okay, so meaning that if I integrate for the x plus 1, I will get this part. So then I use this one minus the bottom here, I will get the final answer. Okay, so this is the final answer lah. Okay, any question? Any question want to ask for this one? No, okay, you can ask if you don't understand or any problem or whatever things you can ask. Okay, I move on. So we have another types of the pattern for the curve. It's something like this. Okay, when I have the red one, okay, GX, and the green one, FX, okay, is getting the area for the A. So what should I do? Okay, you still go back to the theory, which is the above minus the bottom. Always go back to the same case. So above line is actually FX. Bottom line is actually GX. So BA FX minus BA GX. So you just need to identify which one is the above, which one is the bottom. That is the thing that we always know lah. Okay, for this one, which one is the above, which one is the bottom? You think that which one is the above, which one is bottom? Any question? Any answer? Which one is the above, which one bottom? We have 2s minus 1 and minus 9. We have s squared minus 6s minus 2. Which line is the above, which one is the bottom? We need to integrate 7 to 1. Any idea? Okay. Xuan. Okay, 2s minus 9 is above, correct? Okay, so meaning that I will put here 2x minus 9 is the above, minus the bottom is here. How we know above bottom? Okay, you see the boundary part. The boundary part, this is the above, right? This is the bottom, right? So something 7, 1. Okay, x squared minus 6x minus 2. It's not necessary. He always the curve is above. It's not necessary. It depends to the question. Okay, so usually for this case, I will try to simplify because I know 7, 1, 7, 1 is the same, right? Then 2x. Okay, I'm using this one, 2x minus 9 minus x squared minus 6x minus 2. Okay, what I get is minus x squared. I put the x squared first. 2x minus minus, okay, become plus. Minus 9 minus minus 2. So it's become minus 7. When I simplify, I will getting faster lah. Otherwise, you can use this method also, like above here. Or you can do it separately and then you minus. Okay, it's up to you lah. Because in the exam, the actual exam, the time is very limited. So we need to go very fast. 2 minus 7x. 7, 1. Okay. So same case again. Now you start to press the calculator. Okay. This one I can simplify, become 4. Okay. So I press my calculator. I form the equation also. Negative alpha x power 3 over 3 plus 4 alpha x squared minus 7 alpha x. Okay. So the same thing again. I always do like this. Okay. Then after that, calculate. Calculate. Okay. 7, 98 over 3 minus. Okay. My answer 98 over 3. Okay. Then I calculate again. 1 equal. Okay. I get this one. So minus 10 over 3. Okay. So now I plus together because it's the same case. So 98 over 3. Okay. So I will get 36. Okay. I will get 36 units. Okay. Then student will ask me another question. Okay. Teacher, just now you said the things are when you're going down, right? So here the bottom should be negative, right? The area for the curve. Okay. Why now the answer straight away I get positive? Okay. Because this is another case. Okay. This case is when I do the integration, actually I already using the concept which I using the above minus the bottom. So straight away I can get the answer. If you only press the calculator, you see here I already have negative. So negative already positive one. Okay, so if let's say I just do the integration for this part, you can try it actually using the formula in the integration. Okay, x squared minus 6 alpha x minus 2. And then I press 1 and 7. Okay, if you press the calculator, you still get back the negative. Okay, the concept is the same thing. Actually, the concept is the same thing. You still get back the negative. Why we get the positive is because we are finding the area in between two things. So I already using something to minus it. So I already change it back to the positive. That is the reason why we get the positive answer. Okay, you all understand or not? Don't be confused. Because sometimes students will confuse, don't know when I want to swap back to the positive, then they simply swap. Okay, then the answer will get wrong. Okay, so try to understand the concept. Okay, if you're already using something minus 8, that means you are using this concept. We no need to care about the above or below SSE. Okay, we just straight away doing. Okay, this one you can try it lah. This is the some of the past year question. You can try it also. This is all the past year question. Okay, this question not easy. This one question 3. Okay, we need to find the angle here. If you can try, if you got problem, then you let me know lah. Okay. So we continue 9.8. Okay, this one this one is the student always facing problem. Okay. For the integration in front, they got no problem. Once they go for this one, they got problem. Okay. We need to recap. Okay, some of the limit. Okay. We try to recap first. I don't know whether you learned it before or not. Okay, so we recap. Okay, what is mean by limit? Limit means that my x value is approach, okay, approximate or approach to or approaching to 1. Okay, so meaning that is nearest to 1. Or we can say that is approach to 1, meaning that the value will go very close to the value of 1. So I can assume that the S value, okay, is 1. So what I have to do is, okay, if here cannot simplify anymore, you just replace the 1 into S value. Okay, for this one, I just replace the 1 into X, the 1 into S here. Okay, then after that, I will straight away get the answer 5/21. Also meaning that this value, after you limit to S approach to 1, you will get to 5/21. Okay, so we have another types of which is you able to simplify. Okay, for example, like x squared minus 4. Okay, you can simplify. You become x plus 2, x minus 2. So here you can cancel it. Okay, once you cancel these two, okay, what I get is this one. Okay, limit x -2. This one you don't change. I'll follow whatever he give you. Okay, then x minus 2, or the -2 you put inside here. So -2, you get -4. Okay, so meaning that the value for this function is limit to -4. It cannot go further. That is your value lah. It's limit lah. That means okay. So we got another one here. Okay, which is you need to do the rationalization. Okay, I think you learned it before. What is rationalism? Rationalism meaning that you need to multiply this one, conjugate this value. Okay, so if let's say in minus, right, then you become plus. If plus, then you become minus. Conjugate. Okay, they are opposite. Okay, so so for this one, okay, I need to multiply for this one. Okay, it's not only this case, okay, it's not only this case, because you still have another one, which is the square root. Okay, the numerator is the square root. Okay, when the numerator is the square root, okay, I also want to not cancel it. Okay, is rationalize it. Okay, so what we have to do is now we need to not multiply s plus 5. We need to multiply the s, change to this one. Square root, okay, s plus 20. Okay, so square root s plus 20, okay, plus 5. Minus 5 become plus 5. Okay, so when you have this one, okay, you multiply lah, okay, you will get, wait, I go down. Okay, when you multiply this one, you will get this one becomes square lah, because you know that a squared minus b squared is same as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, this part I will go a bit slow because this is the part student always problem. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, you know, right? So I already have this one. This is my a lah, this is my b. Okay, I have a minus b, a plus b. So meaning that I should well get a squared minus b squared here lor. Okay, x plus 20 squared minus 5 squared. Okay, then after that I will get this one. So you can simplify, you can further simplify. You get x minus 5. Okay, the bottom, that one you no need to care. Later I can put the x value at the bottom here. Okay, so now, okay, we have the s minus 5, s minus 5. Can you see here? This two is the same. I can cancel. Once I cancel, I get 1. Okay, I'm going down. Okay, I get 1 over. Okay, can you see this one again? Okay, square root x plus 20 plus 5. Okay, now I can sub this 5 into here. Okay, I will get 5. Okay, 5 plus 5, I'll get 1 over 10. This is how we do the limit. Okay, let me know if you got any problem. Let me know if you got any problem. No, Okay, if no, then I move on, No problem, I move on, Okay, now we go for this one. Okay, this one, you have to memorize, no other way, lah. Okay, when you have the infinite limits, okay, infinite limits, that means the value is either very, very big or very, very small, lah, Okay, limit x, approach to, infinite, that means is, very, very big, or very, very small. Okay, explanation, power x is infinity. But this one is they're not popular, lah. Okay, this one not popular. What popular is this one? This one and this one. Okay, when you have the x approach to negative infinite, okay, explanation, you will get 0. Okay, when your x approach to infinite, e power negative x, you get 0. Okay, these two is the popular one. Okay, another one is this one. Okay, these two also are quite popular. Okay, so when you have the x, okay, 0, right? Ex, ex is 0, approach to 0. Okay, so when you have this type, you will get 1. When you have the log or ln, it's the same case. Okay, you will get 1. Okay, now we go for the type 1. Okay, now is the actual the A-level things. That one just recap lah. I just give you the recap. Okay, so we go for the type 1. Okay, you see they always come out like this. Infinite. Okay, when you have the infinite, infinite, that means the bit value, right? Okay, the bit value must be on top. So infinite to 1 over x squared. Okay, and another one is negative 2 to negative infinite. Why negative infinite at the bottom? Because it can be negative very, very big number. Example, negative 900, negative 1000 or something like that. Okay, so 1 over x squared. Okay, this one is, we call it type 1. Okay, type 1 is the definite integration have either 1 infinite or both limit infinite. Okay, that means he either have 1 infinite or both infinite, okay, so this is the type 1 pattern. Okay, we call it type 1 pattern. Okay, so we can evaluate infinite A fx, okay, by replace the infinite limit with the finite value. Okay, then we take the limit as the infinity. Okay, so another one, okay, is B negative infinite. Okay, same thing, you will get value approach to negative infinity. Okay, you don't understand what I'm saying, doesn't matter, we go for the example. Okay, because you cannot be understand that. So confusing, right? Okay, so now he will ask you to show that infinite 1 over x squared dx have the finite value. Okay, finite value meaning that is the value. That means it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the value. When he said that is the infinite limit, meaning that the value like this. He will give you the infinity. Okay, so this is what he tried to set. So he said that when you place, this case is an on top one. Sorry. Okay, here. Okay, when you put the infinite, okay, replace the infinite limit. Okay, you will get the value out. So this is what he tried to tell you. Finite value. That means he will come out a value. Okay, so we try to do it now. Okay, so this is the we can replace the infinite okay, with the x. Can you see here? By replacing the infinite limit with a finite value, which is x. Okay, so I replace it. I go down. Okay, I replace this one as the big x. This is what he asked me to do. So I just follow that. Okay, so then after that, 1 over x squared dx. Okay, when you do this one, it's hard for me to do, right? Okay, so before I do, I will change it first. It becomes, okay, x1, x negative 2 dx. Okay, then after that, I start to do the integration. Okay, the integration is negative, like this. Okay, 1. Okay, now I replace it into here. Okay, I replace this one into here. So what I will get, I write down 1 over x minus, then minus, right? 1 over 1. Okay, I will get this one minus is plus. Okay, so this is what I get. This is what I get. Okay, so then, okay, meaning that I already show it. This one, he actually have a finite value. Okay, he will have a finite value when, okay, when my x is, you go back to here. Okay, my x is infinity. Okay, I go down. Okay, my x now is infinity. Okay, when my x, the x is infinity, 1 over infinity, you will get 0. Okay, so from where we know, this one got not. Let me see. Okay. Okay, this one never show. Okay. 1 over infinity is actually approach to 0. Okay. So meaning that you can put 1 divided by 9, a lot of 9. Then if let's say you press your calculator, okay, I show you the calculator. Can you see here? Okay, when I show you the calculator, you can see actually he got 1 times 10 power of negative 8. That means 0.000008. 0.0000701. That means he was nearest to 0. Okay, this is what we will get. If let's say you get 1 over infinity. Okay, so after that, I already know this one is 0, right? So after that, I can set that. Okay, you integrate just now the infinity 1 over x squared. Okay, dx is this one, right? This is what I get just now. So 1 minus 0. So actually I get 1. So the finite value will be 1. Okay, please ask me question. I know very confusing. Any question? You can ask which part you don't understand or you want me to repeat, explain or whatever. You're okay? Your school teach already this one? Repeat, not yet. Okay. So, okay, I go back to the theory first. Okay, this is the theory. You understand the limit or not actually? What is mean by limit? What is mean by this one, limit? Do you understand the limit now? The explanation for limit, do you understand? No, okay, I explain the limit first, because this one you need to have the concept from the limit first. You have no limit, then you cannot do. Okay, we go back to the limit first. Okay, I know this one very hard. This topic on integration, the in front all very easy. Okay, only this part. That's why I said when I go this part, I will go very slow. Okay, I repeat again the limit. Okay, what is mean by limit? Limit is means that the x value is approach to 1. Example he said that the he said limit when he said LIM is limit. Okay, limit to 1. When he said limit to 1, that means the x value is very nearest to 1. Okay, very nearest to 1, what is the concept? It's something like 0 point, 0 point, 0 point maybe 99999, a lot of 9. Okay, and then this one is nearest to 1, right? This is what he tried to tell you. Okay, so if let's say we draw the graph, okay, if let's say we draw the graph, meaning that if nearest to 1, let's say the S value is here, 1. Okay, meaning that the value, he will go very closer to 1. Do you see before this type of graph? He go very closer to the 1. But he not touching the 1, he just go very close to 1. So this is mean by limit. Okay. Until here, you okay? Understand now? Limit. What is mean by limit? You all okay or not? Understand the concept limit first. You all okay? Lian, you okay? Okay. Okay. I continue. Okay. So that means if I said that is a value for 1, very easy lah. I just replace the 1 into here. I will get the answer, right? So that means he nearest to 1, meaning that the y value will be 5/21. Okay, because he not touching it, but he very nearest to 5/21. So this one is very easy for me to get the answer lah. Okay, this is the limit concept. Okay, sometimes we cannot straight away replace the 1 into the equation. Okay, we have to like simplify it. Okay, simplify until the equation cannot simplify anymore. Okay, then only we can replace the s value inside the equation, so that I can get the limit for the function. Okay, value of the limit for the function. Okay, all this value, the -1, -4 lah, 5/21 lah, this one we call it finite value. Okay, finite value meaning that is the value. Okay, you have a value over there. So infinite value is what? Infinite value, okay, is usually we using this symbol. Okay, meaning that this one, he can be very, very big or can be very, very small. Example, I can set that this infinity, you know what is infinity lah, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. You can press a lot of 9 lah. Okay, so this is called infinity. Okay, you can put a very, very, very big number. Or if let's say it's 1/infinity, then it become very, very small number because it's 1/9999999, a lot. So that means the value is getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. This one is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, until here you okay? Until here you're okay? Okay, okay. Then now we go on. Okay. Hao Jun, you okay? Hao Jun, you okay? Your school teach already, right? Okay. Jia Xuan, you okay? Okay, Chanyi, you okay? Isaac, you okay or not? You can follow? Okay. So no problem. Okay. So we continue. Okay. So now we continue here. Okay. This one. This is the type 1, which is, okay, you go for the key point first. Okay. The key point is that when we want to find the value, okay, infinity, okay, infinity, that means a very big value, okay, it can be 9999999, a lot, okay, then fx, fx is the function, okay, so we can we can evaluate this equation or this integration by replacing infinity limit. Okay, infinity limit, that means this infinity, okay, you need to change with a finite value. That means finite value, you know what is finite value, right? Just now I said finite value is the value, is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lah, okay, so I don't know what is value, so I just put x. Okay, and then taking the limit, okay, later after you simplify out, okay, you taking this x, this x value, as the limit it to nearest to the infinity. Then he will give you the limit exists. That means he will tell you what is the limit on this function. Okay, you understand now? Okay, I move on. No problem, Got problem, let me know, okay? Okay, now we go for the example. Example 9.16. Okay, he asks you to show the improper integration. Okay, this is your infinity, right? Okay, infinity 1 over x squared. Okay, here he can give you anything now. This is just example lah. Okay, for this case, usually he will give like 1 over x squared or 1 over x cubed, something like that. Okay, so he give you this equation so he asks you to get, okay, the integration which have the finite value. Okay, meaning that he will tell you that they have a value over there. Then after that, you need to find that value. Okay, so according to the theory just now, okay, the key point I give you just now, okay, I need to replace this one become x, right? Correct. I put this one as the x. Okay, so x1, 1 over x squared dx. Then I do as usual, okay, normal integration. So I will get negative x minus 1, then x1, right? I replace the x into this equation and replace the 1 into this equation. What formula I will get? I will get 1 minus 1 over x. Okay, so according to the theory just now, he said that now you need to take the limit x as infinity. Okay, so you take the x limit x. Okay, approach nearest to infinity. Okay, so if now 1 over infinity actually is 0. Why I said that is 0? Because when you press the calculator, 1 over 9, you put you can put 8, 9, you can put 10, 9, whatever 9. Okay, you put a lot of 9. Later, the answer he come up is 0.000000009. Okay, or 0.0000001, something like that. Okay, so you will approach to actually 0. So that means he will nearest to 0, but he not touching to 0. So I can set that 1 over infinity. Okay, I will get 0. Until here, you okay? Until here, you all okay? Lian, you understand or not? Okay, Chanyi, you understand already, okay? Okay, so I can set that this is 0, right? So you remember just now I teach you about the limit or not? I said that when you have this limit, you replace the value inside. So according to the integration just now, I get 1 minus 1 over x, right? So when I put the x as infinity, I get 0. So meaning that 1 minus 0. So final answer is 1. Now you okay? Get it? Now okay? Still got question? Still got question or not? Okay, no problem. I move on. I'm not finished yet. Okay, just now, I give you is the positive one. Later we go for negative. Okay, negative is the same case. Okay, you can see here. It's the same case actually. Okay, by replacing the infinity limit with the finite value x, then after that you take limit s as negative infinity, then you will get the limit value. Okay, so we go here first. Okay, do the same thing with this one because this one is actually the integration from 0 to p, right? From 0 to p. Okay, so I do the area first. Okay, area. Okay, this one is big, this one is small. Remember, big on top, small bottom. Okay, 1 over, so I change it first. Okay, then now we can start to do the integration. So what I get is 1 over, this one is -1, -2 lah. -2, 0p. Okay, then here I try to simplify. I will get 1 over 2, 1 minus x squared. Okay, then 0p. Okay, so from here I can further do it. Okay, so I replace the 0 okay into here. I replace here, so I will get 1 over 2 minus, okay, I replace the p here, so I will get 1 over 2, 1 minus 1 minus p squared. Okay, so now we already come up. Then he said that, okay, follow this one. He said that, okay, p approach to negative infinity. Okay, we only take up this part, p only. Okay, I write down p infinity, negative infinity. So when that is the negative infinity, negative infinity. Okay, so it's 1 over 2. Okay, 1 minus p squared. Okay, you think that what is the value can be if the infinity value is here? So meaning that I can just press the calculator to show lah, okay, to try to understand for myself. Okay, 1 over 2 bracket 1 minus 99999 negative, sorry, negative 99999 a lot of 9. Okay, then after that, then the whole thing I need to square. 1 over 2, 1 minus, I put x square, calculate, negative 99999. Okay, I will do like this. I'll do like this. I'll press my calculator. Okay, so I just put in. I put negative 99999. I put negative. I put equal. Okay, I will get. Okay, I will get 5 times 10. 5 times 10 power of negative 27. Meaning that it's 0.000 got 26 0. Okay, 5. So again, this is nearest to 0. It will nearest to 0. So I can set that this one is nearest to 0. Okay, we're not putting equal, we're putting nearest to 0. So if let's say this is nearest to 0, now I go back to this one. My area will be 1 over 2 minus 0, which is 1 over 2. Okay, this is my finite value. Okay, any question? Any question here? No more question. Okay, already. Now you understand. I move on. Okay. Okay, move on. Okay, so we go for another types. Okay, we have another types 2. Okay, types 2. Okay, we can just go for the key point actually. Always remember okay, so when we said that, okay, when we want to evaluate integration, okay, VA fx okay, fx is not defined, okay, when s equal to a, can be evaluated by replacing the limit for a with an x, which the x value, okay, or we can set that this x value is approximate, okay, to the a. When you have the limit value as it. Okay, you don't understand one. Okay, when you see the key point, you don't understand because you need to go for the example. Okay, another key point, he tell you that, okay, when you want to do the BA, okay, fx is not defined, okay, when s equal to b, okay, by replacing the limit b, okay, when that is the approximate to the limit exists. Okay. So we go for the question now, because you will be very confusing one. Okay, type B, okay, is the integration function to be integrate approach an infinite value, okay, or plus minus value. Either we have the point. So that means that that is the point over there. It's different from the just now. The type 1 is the infinite. Type 1 always have the infinite, okay? But for type 2 is no. It's usually that is the value over there, okay? So he have the point, okay? And this point can be any point. It can be, example, he can be 1, -1, he can be 1, 0, okay? Usually we have the problem is the, this one is the 1, 0. This one, 1, -1, why that is invalid integrate? Because when you integrate this one, you replace the value 1 inside, you cannot get the value. Okay, so we go this one first. We go example lah, because when I talk so much also you don't understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so he asks you to find the value. If it is exit, that means that is the value lah. It is exit, that means that is the value. Okay, then he said that 205 over x squared. Okay, so that is the 0 over here. If you pressing the calculator, if you're pressing your calculator, 5 over x squared or 5 over x lah. Actually, that is no value. Am I right? It's max error if you press calculator lah. So we know that when we replace okay, I write here lah. Okay, when we replace fx 5x squared, okay, we replace the x equal to 0. That is undefined. That is undefined. Okay, that is undefined. That means that there is no value. That is not exit. Okay, sometimes they use the words not exit or no value. Okay, or you press calculator, we call it max error, something like that lah. Okay, it's the same case. Okay, so now we but he said that he asked you to find the value. Okay, that is exit. So we need to try to check it. Or we need to try to check it whether that is the value for me or not. Okay, so the same case. Okay, when that is the undefined for the this 0, right? Follow the, okay, I go back to the theory. Follow the, can you see? Is that where fx is not defined when s equal to a? So just now follow my, okay, here, follow my definition here. This is 0, right? When I put the 0 here, it become undefined. So that means when you put the 0 here, okay, the fx is not defined. So, okay, that is in my case. Okay, that means it's type 2. Okay, so he tell me how to do it. Okay, here he explained to me how to do it. He said, can be evaluated by replacing the limit of a with x. Okay, so here, now I need to replace it as the x. Okay, so something like I cannot do like this. It becomes 5x -2 dx. Okay, do the integration first. Okay, then I will get +1. Okay, that means it's -5. 2x. Okay, so I replace it first. Become -5 over 2. Okay, this is the first one. Then after that, you replace minus is plus. Okay, then 5 over x. Okay, so I found this is my equation. This is my equation. So we continue here. We go back to the theory. Okay, he said that replace the limit a with an x. Okay, and then taking the limit x. Okay, approach to a. So meaning that okay, I need to now what I have to do is I have to do x. Okay, limit x approach to 0 because my a value now is 0. Okay, then same thing I try to settle okay, 5 over 0. If 5 over 0 I still cannot find anything. Okay, so that means I still cannot find anything. It's still undefined. So okay, I can set that for this case okay, there is no exits. Okay, that means integration 2 0 5 over x squared okay is dx is undefined. Okay, I still cannot find any answer. But if let's say sometime this one the x is not 0 I mean this value is not 0, maybe he got some value out or I simplify, I can get value. Or it depends to the question. Maybe we can look at the example 9.19. Okay, until here you okay or not? You understand the tab 2? Yes, okay, good. Okay, good. You understand, good. Okay, important you understand the concept of limit first. That's why usually I use more time to explain the one that is very complicated things. Okay, this one, he give you, okay, this is my equation. He said that show that the P approach to 2, you see, that now my A is not, you can see here, the bottom it's not the 0, he put 2. Shattered area tends to finite value. Okay, meaning that he will have the value. Okay, this one got value. Okay, so I put same case. Okay, integration P to here 0. Okay, P 0 3 square root 2 minus x dx. Okay. Cannot do this one. I take it out. 2 minus x negative half dx. Okay. And now we can do already. Okay, so what we have is 3. This one is negative 1 plus 1 is half. Okay, then copy again. Whole thing P0. Okay, so we try to simplify. This one we will get negative 6. 2 minus x half. Okay, P0. Okay, so we already have this one. We replace the P inside here. So I will get negative 6. Then square root 2 minus P. Okay, then the whole thing minus. Okay, again, he got the minus. 0. This one I can replace the 0 here. Okay, I get square root 2. Okay, because it's 0. Okay, then I simplify. Becomes 6 square root 2. Because minus is plus. Usually I put the plus in front. Or don't put the negative in front. Okay, because why we're not putting the negative in front? Sometimes when we bring down the negative were missing. So very dangerous. That's why we don't put like that. Okay, here he tell you already. He said that the limit is 2. Okay. Okay, now we put P nearest to 2 limit. Okay, so meanings that I can replace okay this one okay into 2. So 2 minus, you know, right? Okay, I write down. Okay, 2 minus 2. I get what? 0, right? Correct or not? 0, huh? Okay, so my area will be 6 minus 0. Okay, 0. Okay, this is my final answer. Huh? Okay, it's the same thing as just now already. If you get the concept, then you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, any question? You okay? Any question? Any part you don't understand? Any problem? No, okay, okay, very good. Ian, you okay? Can or not? Okay, good. Hao Jun, you okay? Jia Xun, you okay? Okay, we move on. Okay, now we go for this one. This one is, I think you should be okay. This is the volume. Okay, volume. Okay, is you have to use the pi y square dx. Okay, same case when you have the x value here, that means here is dx. That means this one is actually the x equation. Okay, example like y equal to x squared. So it becomes y power 4, something like that. Okay, then you will have a pi over there. Okay, so we go for the question. Okay, this is my equation. So follow my formula. Okay, I will take up the pi, integrate to 1. Okay, then the whole thing here, okay, you have to square it. Usually I take out the pi. Otherwise, very confusing, the pi always. Okay, so we can start to do the things. Okay, we simplify first. 2, 1. This one is 81. Then the 3x plus 2, negative 2. Okay, we bring it up. Okay, then after that, we start to do, okay, 81 also I can bring it out actually. So I start to do, okay, 1 over, this one is 3. This one is negative 1. We copy again, minus 1, 2, 1. Okay, then now we can simplify actually. We can simplify. This one is negative. The whole thing here I can bring out. Okay, this one I will get 81 divided by 3. 27. Okay, negative 27 pi. Okay, then I replace 2, 1. Okay, I replace the 2, 1 here. Then I start to do. Okay. Let me press the calculator first. Okay, same thing. I will use the algebra method. 3x alpha x plus 2. And then CALC calculate. Okay, I put 2. I get 1 over 8. Okay, then calculate again. 1. I get 1 over 5. Okay, then after that, I minus it. 1 over 8 minus 3 over 5. Okay, then times 27. Okay, I get 81 pi over 40. Okay, when you press calculator, you will get it. So unit cube because it's the volume. Okay, I think this one should be no problem because it's the normal things. Okay, this one he rotate 360. Okay, when 360, you can straight away using this one. Sometimes he can give you 180. So if let's say he rotate 180, meaning that you have to use this volume divide by 2. It's up to you how many degree he rotate. 270 also can. 270, that means you have to multiply 3 over 4. Okay, 90, you multiply 1 over 4. Something like that. Okay, so for this case, if he said that he rotate in the y-axis, no choice. You have to use y here. This is the y value. So this one is divide. That means you are using pi multiply with something y lah. Can be y plus 2 y square plus 2y plus 3. Okay, then square, something like that. Okay, for this case, same thing now. So we do it 5, 2. Okay, I do it first. 5, 2. Okay, usually I take up the pi. Then x power x square is y. Oh, wow, very easy this one. Okay, dy. So straight away lah, okay, pi. Then y square over 2, 5, 2. Okay, then I replace it in. I will get 25 over 2 minus 5 over 2 pi. Then I get 21 pi over 2. Okay, this is unit cube. Okay, you write unit or no or not writing also can, doesn't matter. Important value and the pi. Okay, I usually mark the student paper. They have the problem is they're missing the pi. Okay, then after that I give the paper, the student will say, "Ayya, so careless." Okay, so no careless. When you see the volume straight away, you will know. You must put pi. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so it's the same case with the just now. Okay, if you still remember just now when we want to do the rotation, okay, actually you will see here. This one is the x value is 2. And then you look at here, where he rotate, very important. He rotate in x-axis, meaning that I need to use my x value. If he rotate in the y-axis, then you use the y value. This is rotate in the x-axis, you use the x value. Okay, this one, when he rotate it, right, he straight away become what? He straight away become the cylinder. So we can use the cylinder formula to find it. Okay, volume equal to, okay, we do this one first. 2, 0. Okay, then this one I need to change it first. He become y square 9 minus 2x square. Okay, so 9 minus 2x square. Okay, then dx. Then you need to minus the cylinder formula, which is pi r square h. Okay, later we put okay, pi. Okay, this one I will get 9x minus 2 over 3x cubed 20 minus pi. My r is actually here, it's 1. My h is the whole thing here, so which is 2. Okay, so this one I try to simplify lah. Okay, you same thing, you just press your calculator lah. Okay, you press the calculator, you will get let me press the calculator first. Okay, I get 38 over 3. Okay, this one you put is 0 actually. Minus 2 pi. Okay, so this one you minus it. Okay, so final answer is 32 pi over 3 unit cube. Okay, so we finish the notes. Okay, next week we will doing the partial for the integration. Partial integration. So if you have time, you can try to do the partial integration first. Then we will go faster lah. Because usually I will ask you to do on the spot. So I will check your working, especially I need to check your working lah. Important, I need to check your working. So that's why you can try to do it first. Then we also can go faster. If let's say I planning if let's say we can go faster next week for discussion the partial integration, then I can touch a bit for the S1 chapter 5. Chapter 5. Okay. Which the student have got a lot of problem. Chapter 5, chapter 6 the bottom at the last few topics are usually student got problem. So okay, any question before I end? No, okay, I see you next week. Okay, bye bye.